Rupa M. Marak o MLA ka All India Trinamool Congress na Dadangri Constituency kabadon haka Liang Pyrshah haka ying darbar thawan ka jilla haka kat pratri unai wing araja arpusan ulat terting yaw Conrad konkal sangma umentri rangba ka jilla daga baong ba Conrad hi ukiar ki MLA na Liang Pyrshah bat kenno bagi dei ka daw berseduna ki kampenroy. Dakabakan tha yaw menteri rangba uba ong bagi constituency Jong ki MLA ka Liang Pyrshah kim la ban kiyo haka roy kapar uniu MLA na Dadengri ula ong bagi dei ki jingkran tep Eit-miaw bat kum menteri rangba uya lambakla. Ula ong ru babon sin haki program sorkar haki constituency bagi MLA Liang Pyrshah ki mikman na ka Liang ka sorkar bat Conrad hi kim ju Khot ni wer banyadon lang.
The disappointment which I have, I am very, very disappointed at the way I am being treated. Yesterday there was an inaugural program under my constituency, that is in Jong. A new Jong police station building was inaugurated yesterday, but I wasn't informed. As a local MLA, I should have been invited or informed regarding that. But no invitation, no information came from the part of the administration or government. I wasn't there because of that very reason. I am very, very disappointed at the way I am being treated like that. This is not the first time that I am being treated like this. During the foundation stone laying ceremony for Ringi Bridge, I wasn't invited. The former MLA of Dadingri James K. Sama was there as chief guest, but the local MLA was not there. Even some people, they call me, they ask, why you are not here? Because I wasn't invited. I wasn't informed actually. And yesterday also it happened. And during that MOU signing ceremony between AAI and government of Meghalaya, in that program also I wasn't invited. I wasn't invited at all. But thanks to some of my friends, they sent me the program in the evening, day before. And I went there in the morning and I was present there. Seeing me present there, though I was not included in the program, our Honorable Chief Minister asked me to speak something in the program. They had to make this adjustment to make me speak. So this is not the first time I am being treated like that. Why I am being treated like that, I don't know. Is this because of the reason I am raising my voice for my people in the assembly? I am raising issues very extensively for my constituency. As a responsible representative, I should do that. That is my duty. That is my responsibility to raise my voice, to speak up for my people. I will speak more. I will speak. I cannot be silenced like that. I cannot be silenced. I will speak more. This is my responsibility to put the concerns, the issues which is affecting the people in the grassroots under my constituency to the government in the floor of the house. This is my duty. I'm doing my duty, and the government should do their duty in inviting the local MLA, in involving the local MLA in these programs. This is not a party program. I would say, this is not a party program. This is a government program in which I should be a part of. A local MLA should be a part of. Just few days back, I was seeing the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister himself. He was saying that there is no development in the constituency of the opposition MLAs. But what I am seeing is the government is not willing to involve the opposition MLAs in the developmental programs of the government, which is very contradicting. On the other side, he is saying that there is no development in the constituency of the opposition MLAs. And on the other side, he is showing the people that they don't want to involve us, the opposition MLAs, in the developmental programs. That is not acceptable. I am very, very disappointed. I know my rights. And no one can snatch the privilege which I have. I cannot be silenced. I will not bow down. Politics is played during elections, not during government programs.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya